Namaste friends, I hope you're doing well. Let's talk about the Bharani nakshatra. Bharani is the second asterism, it's the second nakshatra out of the 27th. It's related to the element of fire in the Vedic tradition. It's mapped with 3 stars in the Aries constellation, just like Ashwini. Bharani is also part of the larger constellation Aries or Mesha. It also represents the elephant as its symbol, as Ashwini represents the horse, Bharani represents the elephant. Now the personality, Bharanis are known to be strong-willed and knowledge seekers. They can withstand the sufferings of life and inspire others by doing so. They never pretend or lie. In fact, they despise people who lie. They just hate them. They're not narrow-minded, but they live with a purpose. They have a purpose in their mind. Their special abilities are artistic talents. Okay, these Bharani people are excellent musicians. They excel in any type of artistic fields. Their Lord is Goddess Lakshmi. Their presiding deity will be Lord Yama, or the Lord of Death. That's a little bit about what I think Bharani nakshatra would do to a person. Hope it has been beneficial. Stay tuned for more videos from Prakash Jyotisa. Till the next time, thank you. Namaste.